Introducing the Vivo X Flip. A first for a manufacturer. You can create collapsible flip models that look great from any angle. It comes in a big box and includes a 4x4 charger, a USB cable, and a 2-piece transparent case that doesn't hide the phone's design. With the X Flip, the Vivo competes with other foldable models on the market. It's slightly larger than the Galaxy Z Flip 4, but the Vivo offers a larger display and a larger battery. Especially, the cover display is much more convenient than the Galaxy. This is a 3-inch panel that fits its own version of Android, with various apps and widgets. It's not as full-featured as Motorola's model, but it's far more advanced than Samsung's. Taking selfies with the main camera is also fun. Still, the Razr 40 Ultra has an even bigger 3.6-inch cover screen that fits a bit more. The folding display is a 6.74-inch 120Hz AMOLED panel of 21:9 aspect. It's a tad smaller than the Razr 40 Ultra's display, but it's more conventional in its aspect. The Motorola is a narrower 22:9. The Vivo X Flip is a zippy phone, thanks to a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip, fast UFS 3.1 storage, and Vivo's Origin OS. For cameras, the X Flip packs the standard main and ultra-wide, but both sensors have phase detect autofocus and eye tuning. Finally, the Vivo X Flip is a beautiful phone. I purchased the gold model. It's a soft cream color that reveals fiery accents when the light hits it. The phone is also nicely tapered and curved on all sides, making it easy to hold. Vivo's first clamshell is a great addition to this segment. And even if hopeful buyers outside of China didn't get it, we'll continue to run our usual tests to see how far the Vivo has come.